Disclaimer for this video. I'm going to routinely say sound panels when I mean sound acoustic panels or acoustic panels. For the life of me, I continue to say sound panels. They're not sound panels. They emit no sound of their own. They're sound acoustic panels or acoustic absorption or sound absorption. I didn't even say that right. For the life of me, I continue to say sound panels, so I'm probably gonna say that. Just you know, fair warning. Fair warning, you've been warned. I gave you the warning. I was tasked with making sound absorption panels for a middle school for their band room. I kind of assessed the room, and there's some stuff on the walls and things like that, and they had a very limited budget to work with, so I was trying to work within their budget. The floor, they were laying down carpet tiles, so there was already going to be some sound absorption in the room, but you would still have those big parallel walls reverberating off of each other. That's the physics of sound, I suppose. I decided that 12 panels, roughly 5 foot tall, vertically by 3 foot wide, would be sufficient. Since I was making 12 panels, that meant that I could sort of batch process those panels. If you look down below in the description of this video, you will find the materials used. Home Depot, 4 sheets of 4x8 plywood, Blondewood, 1/2 inch thick. 2 sheets of 4x8 maple plywood, 1/2 inch thick. Rockwool Safe and Sound, 16 inch by 47 inch, 3 inches thick, 3 bags of it. Amazon, 400 1-inch Kreg pocket hole screws, 40 yards polyester upholstery batting, 36 inches wide, 24 yards black burlap, 58 inches wide, 100-foot roll of 1/2 inch black grid wire cloth, 19 gauge, 1 pound or 245 pieces box of Fas-n-Tite 1 1/4 inch interior construction screws, yellow zinc, flame retardant spray, 2 boxes, 2,500 count, 18 gauge, 1/4 inch narrow crown staples, 1/2 inch long. In case anyone's wondering, it's code DNS 18050-2. Rubio Monocoat 2C in color chocolate, Titebond 2 wood glue. Let's never do that again. Much of this I have affiliate linked on Amazon. If you'd like to take a look at it, there are a few things that were Home Depot, so they're not affiliate linked. You know, I want to make money as much as you do, so as much as I could affiliate link, I did so. Text message. It's just my sister. She can wait. All right, as far as the construction method, the method to my madness here, what I decided to do is create an interior frame, and then there's an exterior frame that goes over it. Interior frame, stuff, exterior frame, beautiful. Except there was a specialty cut that I had to make where I turned the blade to 45 degrees. And that's because I chose to use a French cleat system for hanging them. You know what? So that you understand what's going on in the whole process, I'll just show you right quick in Fusion. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is the sound panel, and you'll have to excuse me, I'm not very good at this space mouse thing that I'm using right here. The grid that you see on the top here is the grid cloth. So let's take that away. The exterior frame that we have that I was talking about, let's take that away. See, there it is. There's not. Now you're left with the interior frame. So this top portion here is the cleat. See that? There's the cleat attached to it. You can see it's kind of at a 45 degree angle here. And then there is the cleat hanger that hangs on the wall and is also cut at a 45 degree angle. If you come over here to the middle, this part right here is the only part on these sound panels that was ripped at 2.5 inches wide instead of 3 inches wide, because it has to fit on top of, directly in the middle of this other piece. Okay, back to the garage.
Ripping the wall since it felt like this. 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 while since you felt like this. Been a while since you felt like this.
And I drove away, happy to have the project finished. The client seemed to be pleased with how they turned out, so that's a good thing. If you like this design, please subscribe to the channel. I know it gets tiring hearing people say that, but it really does help. Again, I've left affiliate links to all the stuff I use down in the description below. Click like on the video, leave a comment, do whatever else you want to do. It's a free YouTube, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next project. It's a really good one. I forgot to grab my papers.